With Brightwheel Billing, you can collect online payments from parents, set up fully automated statements, and autopay to get paid on time every time and never chase a payment. Before you start using Brightwheel Billing, you will need to set up your billing account. It's fast and easy. Just enter your school information, deposit account, and tax details. As soon as you've entered this information, you can set up your billing plans and send statements to parents. Once your information is verified, usually within a few business days, parents will be able to make payments. The first step is to designate whether your school is registered as a corporation, LLC, or individual sole proprietorship. Most daycares are corporations. That means you have an EIN and file tax documents just for the school each year. If your school is a corporation, then during your billing sign-up process, you will need to provide the EIN or Employer Identification Number and legal school name, including LLC or INC or other portions like that. You also need the last 4 digits of the administrator's Social Security number. Some daycares are individuals, meaning that you have no EIN and the owner files taxes for the center on their own personal income tax forms. If you are in this group, you'll need to provide the administrator's full Social Security number to sign up. Once you have designated your school as corporation or individual, you'll then fill out the school information details. Please make sure to complete each field as the information is required by the federal government in order for Brightwheel to be allowed to process funds for you. If your center is designated as an individual, the administrator should be the person who includes the center's revenue on their income taxes. If your center is designated as a corporation, the admin should be the person who is ultimately responsible for the center's finances. In almost all cases, this is the owner, although occasionally it might be a director who runs the center on a day-to-day basis. Please make sure that the administrator's name and Social Security number match what you put on last year's income tax forms. You may not use nicknames or abbreviations. If the name and Social Security number combination doesn't match IRS records, we will need to reach out to you to correct it, and this could delay the process to set up your account. Next, enter your deposit account information so we know where to send your funds. Enter the routing number and account number. If you are a corporation, you'll have a third step, which is to enter your school's tax details. Schools registering as individuals won't have to enter this information. Enter your business's legal name and Employer Identification Number, EIN. Brightwheel automatically checks this information against the IRS database, and you won't be able to proceed unless it's entered correctly. The check usually only takes a few seconds. Please wait until it's complete. If you get an error message, check the business name. It should be the full legal business name, including things like LLC or INC at the end. You should also look at the EIN again if you've misentered it. If you are unable to identify what caused the error, we recommend finding your income tax forms from last year and double-checking all the information. Once your tax details are confirmed, you will see this blue banner at the top of the screen that lets you know we are working on verifying your account. The verification process is a federal requirement and helps us ensure that you are who you say you are and that someone else isn't trying to set up the account with stolen information. The verification process will take a few days. Once the process is complete, you'll see the blue banner change to a green banner, and you'll be able to set up your billing settings. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@mybrightwheel.com.